So you're going to be seeing a new bike in some of my upcoming videos here. I thought I'd make a short video and show you what I got, what I've done to it so far, and kind of explain why I picked this one up. So this is a 2024 Gas Gas ES350. I got this one basically because my Husaberg has kind of been turning into an off-road only bike. I've got a Moose in it now, so I don't like to do a lot of street on it, but I was wanting something a little bit smaller than the 701 that I could still get out onto the road to connect trails, but would also be good for some single track. I'm going to be doing a ride coming up into the Upper Peninsula, and then I'm hoping to get out to do some single track in Colorado maybe next summer. So wanted something that would be able to handle that stuff a little bit better than the 701. So I actually got this bike a couple of months ago, and over the winter I've been kind of working on getting this thing set up the way I wanted. So a few of the things I've done to it so far, I did some fork guards, molecule hand guards, some folding levers, and a ram mount for navigation. And I'll have some affiliate links in the description for some of these things that I've used if you want to check those out. I also got a Tusk skid plate. I'm going to try a polymer plate instead of aluminum, which is going to be new for me. I got some Tusk billet radiator guards and the P3 carbon pipe guard. This I kind of see it as a necessity. I've burnt through multiple pairs of pants now on hot pipes, and if nothing else, this pipe guard will keep my pants intact, I hope. One of the first things I did also was to install the Seat Concepts Comfort XL seat. The factory seats do not really do it for me. I did the normal comfort seat on my 701. The XL for this Gas Gas is just barely a little bit wider than the comfort is on my 701, so it feels pretty good. I don't really notice the extra width getting in the way of anything when I'm riding. And I've just done 2 full days of riding on the bike, and I was comfortable the whole time. I also added some of these double take style mirrors. These are kind of an off-brand I found on Amazon. They are definitely not the same quality as the double take mirrors, but I figured I'd give them a shot and see how they hold up. Maybe I'll do an updated review video on these a little bit later after I get some more time with them. I also added a Tusk handlebar bag with some USB power so I can power my phone that I use for navigation. I also added the 2-stroke, 4-stroke performance tuner along with a factory map switch. So now I can run 2 different maps, and the power delivery is a lot smoother. The white map is the Enduro map, which is like the softer map, and then the green map is the more of the race map. Both of them are a big improvement over the stock map that was on the bike when I got it. To go along with that, I did just drill out the little screen on the end cap of the exhaust instead of replacing the muffler or getting a different end cap, and that has worked well so far. As of right now, the reeds are still in, but I may be pulling those in the future. So that's how she is at the moment. I do have a couple of things left that I want to do. I've got a rear disc guard to throw on still, and then I got to replace those TKC 80s with some proper off-road tires, so that'll be coming up shortly. The video you're seeing right now is from my first proper ride I did with this bike. I spent 2 days riding around Parsons, West Virginia. So hit subscribe so you can catch that video when it comes out.